sun would shine right here on 103 the Bulldog.
Thank you, LKD. We're playing the mountain's best mix of music. The 80s, 90s, 2K, and today, right here on the Hackney Watts Law Office, HLT Check Exchange Workday Wake Up Show. Happy Wednesday to you. 10-10 win
61 right
But
now.
that's a big ass
Mountain
curve
Shrine
in the
Club
bird
going to have
feeder
a
out there.
special Valentine's.
Yeah, and his friend come to visit too.
The first time they've done this is going to be on
The crow's friend.
They're going to set up
So now there's two.
as a traditional restaurant-style Valentine experience. It'll be 5 to 8 that evening on Valentine's Day at the Shrine Building, Mountain Junction, and it's $15 per
Your
person.
friend come to
And here's
visit
what you
too,
get:
and he that was
Olive
curved
Garden
right
salad,
up in
chicken
between
Alfredo,
your legs.
baked ziti, garlic bread, dessert,
Yeah, but she's curled.
and
She's
you
got
can
her
dine
nose
in
sticking
in
against
that
her leg. Now,
restaurant-style
ever since you moved it, her
atmosphere,
face
or
is
if
right.
you
Her
wanna
butt
do
curled,
this,
but
but thinking about it,
balled
call
up.
ahead, let them know so they can plan. 606-469-0331 or see any member of the Mountain Shrine Club. 606-469-0331 if you need that number and information. Check out the Mountain Shrine Club on
That time I
Facebook.
was on
Oh,
your
yeah,
forehead.
sure can.
I'm going to leave you today with some Did You Know, LKD.
Well, that's always interesting to see.
Well, this is radio, you can't see it.
Well, yeah, but you at least learn something new.
Yeah,
I forgot
always.
to roof off her house.
It can take up to an hour.